Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to upgrade this 6.5-inch Allen Bradley from CCFL to our LSR series LED kits. This kit including one of the LED drivers, already soldered 2-wire. This wire you can connect to anyway 12 volt to 24 volts. And LSR series LED strips. This end you can connect to either end, then slice in. Let's take a look at these Allen Bradley models. This is Allen Bradley 2711P-RDT7C. So up front it says a Allen Bradley panel view plus 700. It's actually have a 6.5-inch displays. To do that, we had to remove a this first thing tools. This is then we can disconnect the touch screen. And then all the 6 screws. So I'm going to show you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big screws, 2 small ones. So you're going to take out this cover. You take it out. You're going to see the touch screen connections. So basically, you're just going to move a little bit backwards. It's out. So after out, you can lift up this. But when you lift up, you got to be careful. Take the screen out. And then let's set that aside. Well, I want to show you actually. You see this? Let's show this end. This is the screen, wire CCFL, but this is the screen wire harness. So you can flick over. The screen was holding by this holder, right? Or you can take it out just like that. Okay. So in my case, this is the second time I disassembled this, but when I first time did it, I had to do a little bit more efforts. I just show you why. Because I had to take this one out. This one, the screen was stick up the front because this is sponges. See that? They stick really good. Maybe they're sticking for a while, so that's why it's really difficult to take it out. So I had to take out all this. But for your case, if that's difficult to move, you use this thing. Just tilt a little bit on the side, on the 4 corners. Then you come out. Okay. So there's no double side tilt, no nothing. They just put it here because they're so long, and basically it just holds by. It's just pushed by this reflector. Let me take it out and show you. Okay, but this I really want to show you because I spent quite a time trying to figure out what's going on. So let me take out this. So I took out this one. Actually, this is basically screen was pushed by this. All right, because of this. See, there's 4. So when you take it out, the whole chassis along with this one. In some cases, screen you stick there really tight, just like my case. I thought there was maybe a double side tilt up front, but if it ends up no, because this sponge. So you see they no longer stick to it. So you just use this tool to wiggle around on the 4 corners. You come up pretty soon, easy. So anyway, we took the screen out, and then we look at the chassis. So we're gonna solder. Here's the power coming from. Okay. So this display would be if we're gonna probably pull it out and slice right back, and then we're gonna solder this red wires to this can capacitor, red to this side, black to this negative side. It doesn't matter. It typically would be 24 volt that coming from here. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to show how to replace the lamp, upgrade the LED kit, and then the solder. Alright, here's the screen. So this is, you see this clicks here. You push it this way. See? Maybe. You push it this way, push it down, and then you just pull it up. See that? You push it, take it out. Okay, it's very simple. So this is our LED kit. It's very simple to put it back too. Basically, you just slide in. After you slice in, you just push a little bit upward. Okay, I have soldered the wire here. See the red is on this side, the black is on negative side. On this can capacitor, this is probably the input filter can capacitors. Okay, the supply was from here. Okay. Push the LC right here. So I have to mount it like this. Okay. So that means this end I'm gonna flip over, but so let's mount it first right here. You're gonna see it later. I can always disconnect this cable and reconnect back later. Okay. Just stick to it. And then see this one, I'm gonna take it out, put it here. So before I put it back, I secure the wire a little bit. I'm gonna show you. I also need to connect this to here, to the driver, right? Show you the driver. Connect to either one. So then now I can put the screw back. The wire to secure this, at the tip to secure the wires. I tell you why. This is how it works, see? Right? This is a connector here, so I'm going to secure this wire just like this. Now I just put the 4 screw back, and then I'm going to flip over the screen. If you want to add the piece of tape to secure the wire, that's okay. And this one, so you connect to here. Okay, I can connect to here. Or if you want to, you can flip over. But yeah. Okay, it's right here. Make sure the wire is on this side. Okay. Now you make sure to clean the screen a little bit because we're gonna put the touch screen back. Basically, you just put it like this. This is side. Let me see. Yeah. Right. Flip over. Put all the screw back and fire up. Unfortunately for this video, I couldn't test it because I do not have this kind of connector. Just show you the procedures. Okay. Thank you for watching.